Good day everyone, senior high school students. For this given video lesson, I am going to teach you how to solve for population mean, variance, and standard deviation, sample mean, variance, and standard deviation using Google Sheets. So for the given problem, the ages of 9 English teachers in a certain public school are 30, 34, 32, 38, 28, 36, 40, 31, and 35. So compute for the following: population mean, population variance, and population standard deviation. So to begin, construct a table. So for the first column, for teachers, you have teacher number 1, teacher number 2, up to teacher number 9. For the second column, you have the population age. So you will include all the ages of 9 English teachers in this given problem. So you will have 30, 34, 32, 36, 38, 28, 36, 40, 31, and then 35. So first thing is we need to solve for the population mean. So go to mean, go to insert, then select function, and then go to the part of average, and then select the given section from 30 up to 35, and then press enter. So we can estimate or approximate our answer using this function. So decrease the decimal places. Let's say 2 decimal places. So click ko lang siya. So I will have 33.78 for my mean. How about for the variance? So go to variance, insert, and then you have the function, and then go to the part of all, and then look for the formula of the variance of the population. Ito siya, yung variance, and then P, the variance of the entire population. And then select 30 up to 35, and then press enter. Then approximate our answer using this command. So I will have 13.51 for my population variance. Then lastly, solve for the population standard deviation. So to solve for the population standard deviation, go to insert, then function, and then all, and then look for the formula for the standard deviation of the entire population, and then select 30 up to 35, and then press enter. Then round up our answers to at least 2 decimal places. So I will have 3.68 for the population standard deviation. Next part of our question, assume that the researcher randomly selected only 5 out of 9 English teachers. Let's say for this given problem, we will consider the ages 34, 38, 36, 31, 35 for our sample. So you will construct the third column as the sample age as 34, 38, 36, 31, and then 35. So for this given problem, you need to solve for the sample mean, sample variance, and the sample standard deviation. So go to mean, then insert, then function, then average, then select this part, and then press enter. So you will have 34.8 for the sample mean. Then for the variance, go to insert, then function, then all, and then look for the formula for the variance. Itong part na to, variance with S. So you will have this given formula, then select this section, then press enter. So for the variance, I have 6.7. Then lastly, for sample standard deviation, go to insert, then function, then all, then look for the formula for the standard deviation of the sample. Ito, standard deviation and then with S. And then select this given part, then press enter. And then round up our answers to 2 decimal places. So I will have the sample standard deviation of 2.59. So that's all for this given video lesson. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Stay safe and God bless.